Yoga is the gateway of happiness that body needs in daily life. Today, June 21st, International Yoga Day. Let's unite by practicing the common yoga protocol we Israelis present you in this video. Let's begin with Tadasana. Tadasana stretches your entire body, right from the arms to the abdomen till your legs. It improves your posture and prepares for other asanas. Hold it about for 10 to 15 seconds. Vrikshasana, the beautiful asana of balance and stability, strengthens ankles, knees and leg muscles. Hold it for 10 to 15 seconds. Ardha Chakrasana strengthens your upper back and tones your abdominal organs. It's good for people with postural defects. Hold it for 10 to 15 seconds. Trikonasana, it strengthens and stretches your back, thigh and leg muscles, reduces blood pressure, stress and anxiety. Hold the asana for around 10 to 15 seconds on both the sides. Bhadrasana, the gracious posture, strengthens legs, tones the thigh and makes hip flexible. Hold the asana for 30 seconds. Vajrasana, this asana helps in digestion and cures stomach disorders. It reduces fat from lower body and makes it flexible. Hold it for around 15 to 30 seconds. Ustrasana, it improves digestion and respiration. It relieves lower back pain and stretches the shoulders and back muscles. Hold the asana for 15 to 30 seconds. Shashankhasana, it gives good relaxing stretch to your upper back and pelvic muscles. This asana relaxes the mind and relieves depression. Hold it for around 30 seconds. Uttan Mandukasana, it improves the functioning of the pancreas and stimulates the functioning of lungs. With deep breaths, hold it for 15 to 30 seconds.
तू आती है सीने में जब जब सांसें भरता हूँ तेरे दिल की गलियों से मैं हर रोज गुजरता हूँ हवा के जैसे चलती है तू मैं रेत जैसे उड़ता हूँ कौन तुझे यूं प्यार करेगा जैसे मैं करता हूँ मुझसे ज्यादा मेरे जैसा कोई है तो है तू फिर ना जाने दिल मेरा क्यों तुझको ना दे सकूं कुछ तो है जो दिल घबराए कुछ तो है जो सांस ना आए कुछ तो है जो हम होठों से कहते कहते कह ना पाए